i35equipment.com. This is the Case 580 Super NWT backhoe loader. This machine is fully loaded with 4-wheel drive, extendable dipper, rear auxiliary hydraulics, and ride control. Also has that full cab. Welcome you to come look at this machine for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call, get on the counter. Phone here is 405-833-6437. As always, welcome you to bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to accompany you to go through it with you. If you'd like a delivery quote, please fill out the form on our website or send us an email with your full delivery address. Be happy to share that address with several brokers as well as local haulers to get you the best hauling quote. If you know anyone with idle heavy equipment, please share our website and information with them. We'd be happy to discuss our consignment sales service with them, and got plenty of people that would love to put their equipment to work. This machine does have switchable backhoe control patterns, so no matter who's operating it, they'll be comfortable at the pilot controls. See the rear hydraulic outriggers going down. That Extendahoe or extendable dipper is extremely nice, very convenient to have because not only can you dig deeper with it, but you can also reach things that you don't have to reposition the whole machine to have access for. We do have a manual of thumb available for this machine. See the rear work lights on there as well. Good digging power. Also really good reach in case you need to do some demolition work with it. Reversal arm. Check out the buckets and the tires. Let him climb out and we'll hop up in the operator station. Let's have that bolt on the cutting edge. Here's your rear auxiliary hydraulic attachment points. Teeth on the bucket here, on the backhoe bucket. Zoom on out to the fisheye lens, give you a good view of the interior. This is a Case factory seat. It does have air ride. does have factory HVAC, however the fan is not operational. See if I can find the handle to spin around here. Your Backhoe Controls. Tabs down here for the outriggers. Throttle, work lights, and other controls here. To actually operate the Backhoe Controls, you have to hit the hydraulics button there. This is a switch, switchable control pattern. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Hope it's beneficial to you. And as always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a wonderful day.